Their biggest challenge is just getting someone to represent.
Oi, amigos, estou aqui na IAAPA Expo.
I'm talking about there's just so many cultural distances with Americans, especially. I felt like they're just happy with us just going back to the bigger one.
Oi, amigos, estou aqui na IAAPA Expo.
Oh, they use their own, like they have their own. Yeah, I know all that
SeaWorld 2026. 2026, SeaWorld vai revolucionar os parques temáticos.
They're just like, yeah,
O lançamento do SeaQuest. Essa montanha russa exclusiva.
yes,
Você
that's
vai
yeah,
agora
that's even thing I might still need to do more than one. I talk to them, the organize stuff like that. It's not just not a priority here. They're just not they're excited. They want to wear legitimate no, not even. It's going technically same content. It's going to SeaWorld in Mexico opening 26, and it's going to Albuquerque in Sao Paulo opening 2027.
Good day, everybody, and welcome to the Vekoma booth. My name is Stephanie Bechara. I'm the Director of Public Relations for SeaWorld Orlando. I'm here with Anna Mark, the CEO for Vekoma Rides. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you. You guys have been amazing in this partnership and bringing this whole project to fruition. Now, we don't want to ignore the elephant in the room, and we don't want to make you guys wait because we love big reveals, big reactions, and big countdowns. So, Anna Mark, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. From five, 4, 3, 2, 1. SeaQuest Legends of the Deep, everybody. Woo-hoo! Yes.
Okay.
How's that?
Wait, when did he get it?
You'll be hearing more from our team in just a few minutes.
Very cool. I love how it hangs. That's sick. And yeah, because it rotates and it moves. It has this ride vehicle system that can undulate and change positions. Now this one, they do show a faster version of this, but this does not have
Grande
that
revelação, SeaQuest aconteceu aqui na IAAPA 2025 e eu trago essa novidade para vocês.
All right. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you for being at our booth. My name is Ricardo Atkins. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Vekoma in Americas. We normally start this type of press conferences by speaking first, and then unveiling the product at the end. But this year, the product is spoke by itself. It's really hard to put into words how big, massive, and unique this ride system is. So we're extremely proud. We're immensely grateful and proud of the opportunity to work with United Parks and Resorts on this project. This is the first time we do a project together with SeaWorld Orlando, right, Connor? So a big thank you to Connor, Justin, Kevin, the whole United Parks and Resorts team for the collaboration and for a great partnership. So the Suspended Dark Ride vehicle has been years in the making. We even built a complete full-scale test setup in the Netherlands to extensively test the system and adjust it. And the more we tested, the more we were convinced that this is a groundbreaking, a game changer to the theme park industry. So, as you can see, obviously, the riders will be able to see everything from a completely different perspective, from up above. So this changes completely the game. Also, this vehicle is capable of extraordinary motion. So you have the yacht drive that rotates the vehicle 360 degrees, fully programmable, by the way. The vehicle can swing forward, backward, and sideways. And on top of that, we added onboard entertainment. So you have onboard audio, you have what we call the butt kicker to really enhance the ride experience. So all these features together give parks and designers endless possibilities when it comes to storytelling, when it comes to show scenes. So again, we couldn't be more excited to bring the first of its kind to SeaWorld Orlando, just around the corner here. And I don't want to spoil too much, but you should expect multiple ride colors here. You should also expect multi-level ride experience and plenty of surprises along the way. So I'm super excited. Not only we are the
let the bass drop.